good. More than anything else, feeling good. So, my question to you is, you guys feeling good tonight? So, I've been playing this record a lot. Every day I get in the studio, and I've been playing it the last couple of shows, and it seems to always do the trick. If you know the words, I want you guys to sing along, okay? Alright, let's go. Marley worked. Alright, so here's a new thing. It's called Jumping Body. I've been playing it a lot of the new shows. And you gotta jump around. He just might